welcome to another adventure. Today I am with the Club. How are you today, sir?
America!
You know where we're going to today, Club?
Taco Gym Association.
I don't really have anything planned. We're just coming off SCMM, dude. A lot of schedule, a lot of structure. Dude, let's just ride around, have a little fun. Maybe go see Bob and see what we get into from there.
Good, let's go eat Bob.
Right on. So right off the bat, I'm assuming some of you guys are noticing that I have a new camera setup. I do. I'm actually using the same setup that Jake the Garden Snake has. After SCMM, my camera failed. It was bad. I lost a lot of good content from that ride, so I had to redo my whole helmet setup. If you want to know what it is that I'm using, I'm going to give all the credit to Jake the Garden Snake. Go over to his channel, watch the video where he's discussing his helmet setup, and that's what I have exactly. Clip's clutch is going out, so we'll see how this works out. He won't be beating me to any white lines, that's for sure. Yeah, with this new setup, I have a new microphone and all that, so I'm going to sound a little bit different. Personally, I think the quality of the video is way better, but I think I'm lacking in the audio a little bit, so that might take a little bit more work. Let me know in the comments section below what you guys think. Thanks, sir. That's how they do it in California. Thanks, buddy. So SCMM is finally over. It was a fun weekend, and it was amazing connecting with all you guys. I can't thank you guys enough for coming out. It was a lot of fun. And for the record, I want everybody to know that there's a lot of help that goes into SCMM. There was a lot of different people doing a lot of different things to make SCMM happen. So big shout out to everybody that helped. He's on the wrong side of the road. I wonder if he knows it. So I haven't seen Bob in a few weeks. Wonder what he's got. Some of you guys came up to me at SCMM saying that you left stuff with Bob and wondering why I haven't put it in any of these videos. Well, I don't always release these videos in the order in which I record them. I'm currently sitting on about 25 videos. I just kind of pick and choose what it is that I want to release. So just because you drop some stuff off with Bob and you haven't seen it in a video doesn't mean that it's not going to be in a video. I just haven't gotten to it yet. Okay, I can't do this. Here we go, Tribuco General Store. I like this place.
Hello.
Hi. What's up, Bob?
I'm a man of my word.
You broke Bob in half.
Oh, forget it. I'm not a man of my word. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
Dude, there's a lot of stuff in here. He looks good in a helmet.
Yeah, he's going to come off-roading with us tomorrow.
Wonder if he's got lice. We got Amazing AJ. What's up, dude? What's up? All right.
You gonna make me eat the bag too, Bob?
You shouldn't eat that bag. It's been in Bob's pocket. So apparently these were hiding behind the register. Let's see what we got. What do you think? Oh, slug bug pow.
Just kidding.
Oh shit, dude.
Oh.
2 sub D and Club. Enjoy this $20. Eat some lunch on Hashman. Hashman. I like that guy.
Stop. Thank you so much, Hashman.
Thanks.
It's the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me.
Dude, thanks, Hashman. We're definitely going to use this today. Joseph Collins. You're a vlogger. Videographer and a vlogger. Okay, here we go. Hey, Sub Delinquent. I love your channel. Keep up the good work. Say, let's get some lunch someday. Hit me up. Thanks, Joseph. Appreciate it.
I'm just snorting the cock.
You're snorting cock. Missed you in Palm Desert. Please accept this. Harbor Freight screwdriver. From Greg. From Cincinnati, Ohio. Well, always wanted a flathead screwdriver from Harbor Freight. We should take apart something.
Let's do it. Let's take apart Bob. Ready? Here, can you stick it right in there? Oh, yeah, it works.
Let's get a tasty beverage. I'm going to skip the soda. I'm going to go straight for a Red Bull. Just that. And my friend Hashman bought it for us.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
Have a good weekend.
You too. See ya. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
20 minutes later.
What do you want to do now? Let's go down to Holy Gym. Or climb a mountain. Let's go.
Holy Jimmy!
We still don't have a destination to eat yet. I don't know what we're going to do.
Taco Bell.
Oh, we can't go to Taco Bell. I'm tired of Taco Bell, actually.
Excuse me?
So in a recent video, the club and I, we tried to get down to Holy Gym to see where this fire started, but we couldn't make it. They had it all locked up. So we went over there and we were going to try to sneak in, but they had a cop sitting at the entrance. So no bueno. Now it's been a couple days and I don't see a cop. They paved this. This used to be so not paved. Used to be all dirt and bumpy and rocky. Oh, they took the fun away. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. All right, let me tell you a little bit about this little dude. This my friend, this is a Cove speaker, and they are totally supporting today's video, so huge shout out to them. Let me turn some of this off so we can talk. Alright, so what's cool about this speaker, other than it's small and compact, is that it's got this amazing subwoofer. And I had it in my pocket jamming out, and you could feel it, man. It was giving me the vibrations. And the Bluetooth is amazing. It does 30 feet from your phone. It's got a battery life of 8 hours, so if you guys are out on a boat, or if you're in a car that's got a shitty stereo, definitely got you covered. It also works as a speakerphone, so you can connect it to your phone. It's got a little microphone. It sells for $199. However, I have a coupon code. It's right here below. Use it. You get 65% off. This is sketchy, riding with one hand. I don't advise this. Huge shout out to Cove for sponsoring this video. Show them a little love. Go over there, check it out. This isn't a shitty speaker, it's quality. It's something that you would like to have. Thanks, Cove, for stepping up and helping support this channel. All the YouTubers out there know we need companies like you guys. So thanks, man. And back to today's video.
Sorry. I think I was freaking out at it.
Dude, you were like an idol to me.
What's up, guys? Nice to meet you, man. We're doing a speaker thing. Right? You know this? You know this song? Yeah. Oh, it's pretty cool. It fits in your cup holder. Check it out.
This thing's pretty nice, actually. The company send you one of these and you're just wrapping it?
Yeah, they're sponsoring today's video, man.
You guys want to race up the hill?
Oh, he's gonna roost me. Oh, he didn't. Oh my god, I would have roosted him. Oh, they do have it closed. So how do we get back here? I don't think we can fit. Stuck. Well, we couldn't get in. This is the second time we couldn't get back here. What do you want to do now? You hungry?
Let's go get into some shenanigans.
Whoa. You got me so good. Did you guys lose something out of your truck? Like an air compressor?
Yeah, that was that guy, actually.
That was awesome. Oh shit, I can't stop. I'm fucking stuck. Yeah, buddy.
I can't lift it with my wrist.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What's up, man? Alright, let's go get food, man. I'm hungry. Go ahead and thank all the Patreons of the channel and the YouTube channel sponsors, each and every one of you. I love you all. You mean so much to me. You do. I can't even begin to tell you how much you guys help out this channel. Even the smallest amount helps so much tremendously. Thank you. I really hope this new camera setup's working. I'd be so bummed if today was just a waste of time. Little jump. Get out of here, Prius.
Taco Bell, we're here.
You getting some hot sauce?
Here, I brought you some bush.
I like me some bush.
You can go to Whataburger.
Want to go to Phoenix? We can go to Whataburger. 5 hours, we'll be there. We'll do a meet and greet. Speaking of road trip, you know what's coming up? AIMExpo. What is it? October 13th and 14th?
Yep.
If you guys are interested in hanging out with us in Las Vegas, man, come on out. October 13th and 14th, man. All the information's on my website. Link in the description below. Check it out. Anyway, what are we gonna eat? I got a spot. Do you like Spam?
Yeah.
There's a Hawaiian barbecue place down the road, and they have these Spam sushi rolls.
Me at fire sauce. Let's go.
Let's do it. Yes, yes. I forget the name of this place. It's like Hawaiian Hu-Ha-La. I don't even know. I don't know what they're called, but these things, there's these like little rolls, man. They got Spam in them instead of like sushi. My friend Gabriel told me about them. And we went one time, and they're really, really good. I forgot all about them, and then one day I drove by the place and I go, oh yeah, the little Spam sushi rolls. So that's where we're gonna go. God, I wish I remembered the name of this Hawaiian place. It better be open. I hope it's open. I think it's gonna be open. Spam. When's the last time some of you guys had Spam? Besides in your email. We all have that shit. You ever wonder why Spam is so popular in Hawaii? I know the answer to that. It's because back in the day, the US military used to get big shipments of Spam because the shit would last forever. There was just an abundant supply of it, so all the Hawaiian locals got their taste of it. So in Hawaii, everybody likes Spam. It's like a household thing over there. Out here, not so much. I personally don't think it's too bad. It's pretty good in the morning if you slice it up and put it in the pan. God, the name of this place, it's called Hulu something. I need to know what it is. I need to know. Dude ran the shit out of that red light. Dude, I'm gonna park next to this dude because it.
I hope he doesn't want us to park here and he's mad.
Some people get mad. They're like, my spot, blah, blah, blah. How dare you, right? You see this, you're like, oh, hell yeah, $1 burger, fries, and a drink. I'd be here every day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Lua, what'd you think, man?
Hola, mi gusta, senor. Big Papa approved. I got the spare ribs, I got the potato salad, I got the rice, and I got the Spam nuggets.
Out of all that stuff, what did you like?
You know, I liked your food a lot better than mine.
I got the beef, I got white rice, and assorted vegetables. And we got those Spam sushi rolls. I remember those Spam rolls being a little bit better than they were. I won't be back for the Spam rolls, but I'll definitely come back for the beef. That was really good. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Huge shout out to The Cove for sponsoring this video. Also to all you Patreons. You guys are the best, you know it. Make sure you check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Make sure if you're in the Las Vegas area or thinking about going to Las Vegas, we'll be there on the 13th and 14th of October. Information all on my website. Link below. Please support the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, the law offices of Henry Haddad and Voss Helmets, keeping this channel alive. And with that, I'll catch you guys later.